The next skill is looking at how to find the length of an arc. So an arc is this curved piece here. And like imagine you've got a full circle and we've just taken a slice of pizza out of there. So this is called a sector, but here we're just finding this length of that curved part there. So in our rule, this is saying to find the arc length, we're going to do 2 times by pi. We're going to use the pi button on our calculator, and we're going to need the radius, r is for the radius, times by this fraction. We're on the top of the fraction. That is the Greek symbol for theta, which represents our angle. And then we've got 360 on the bottom of a fraction. So the 2 pieces that we need from our diagram are our angle. So that is going to be our angle there. And the radius is from the middle of the circle out to the edge. How long is that? That's going to be our radius. And in this case, it is given on our diagram as 5.6. So if we know those 2 things, the angle and the radius, that's going to help us find our missing arc length there. So my formula, I'll copy this out. Arc length equals 2 pi. You can type that straight into your calculator. 2 pi. Then I'm going to times that by r. The radius was 5.6. Times by, I've got 68 was my angle over 360. That's always going to be 360 on the bottom because it is 360 degrees in a full rotation of the circle. And I was just looking at 68 of them. So if you type this into your calculator, that part there, hit the fraction button so that you can type that fraction in. That should work out. It'll give you a long number, but remember we'll round that to 2 decimal places for the length. 6.65 centimetres is going to be how long that length of the curve is there. So that is the length of an arc.